Welcome back to another reaction video, y'all. It's your boy Cam back at it again with another reaction video, y'all. If you're not a part of the Cam fam, make sure to hit that motherfucking subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the motherfucking like button because you're going up to the one. Yeah, today we're reacting to Morissette and she sings Through the Rain. Let me know how you guys feel about this performance inside the comment section below. But yeah, let's hop into the video. I think it's really cool that the audience is really excited to hear her. I mean, you've seen how many people are out there, so many freaking people. But yeah, you can already hear them from like the excitement as soon as she started singing. That's really cool. Sorry, you guys. If I'm a little bit off today, it's just because I'm going through something. And so I'm just not in the best mood, to be honest with you. But like I said, I don't want to let you guys down. And I always want to put out as much content as possible for you guys. Just try with me. I'm going to try my best to, give as good a commentary as I can and try to put in, as much positivity as I can. I hate posting these type of videos, but I don't want to not upload, and so I'm gonna try to push through it. So don't mind me. Nothing is wrong with. I love Morissette, so don't think anything's wrong or anything like that. I'm just going through something. So that's all, you guys. That's all. She's really doing very well on this song. I think it's absolutely amazing. I think I've only heard this song actually one time. Not her singing it, the actual artist. So yeah, and that was a long time ago. To be honest with you, I can't even remember who actually sings the song. I'm super bad with names, you guys, honestly. But I think this song really suits her style. I really love when Morissette sings like older school R&B. I think it's just absolutely magnificent. But I love all of her music, but I feel like her renditions of older school songs and more traditional R&B is just out of this world, and it's one of my favorite things that she actually does. For me, hopefully, I know she's been posting a lot of her own music. Hopefully she puts some covers on there and stuff like that. I know she's just she put some covers and stuff like that, but I know she's been really focusing on her own music, so that's good too. And I really love her original music as well. I just hope she does a good balance of covers and original music, because I love both from her, right? And that's just me personally. I know personally I like her original music more than I like her covers, but I think I like her covers as well. I think they're amazing. Her original music is amazing, honestly. Man, whenever she unplugs herself, you know greatness is gonna happen, you guys. So prepare yourself. I've noticed that like she unplugs herself quite freaking often. But also, I will say this: there's also a live band playing. I'm pretty sure they're playing the actual instrumental in the background. I'm pretty sure it's a live band, and she does that a lot when she's playing with the live band in the background. Like even when she was on Wish, she uncupped her headphones so she could hear the band, so she could be on key, right? So she does that a lot. Everybody's trying to get videos and pictures of her. I don't blame them. I'd be doing the same thing, man. I swear, I'd be screaming her name as she was performing. Swear. That was beautiful. This is honestly really beautiful. Like I said, throughout this whole song, she's been doing absolutely magnificent. But right here is Queen High Note at its best, you guys. Like I said, this is one of my favorite parts about her music in general. Just even about her just singing, is I love those high notes. We all do. And like I said, here we go, right here. She didn't even breathe. She didn't even breathe. That was beautiful. Man, she's so amazing, man. I really love her music. I love hearing her sing. This was absolutely magnificent. Let me know how you guys feel about this performance inside the comment section below. Did you like it? Did you dislike it? I really enjoyed this performance. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. And I feel like, to be honest with you, it uplifted my spirits a little bit. And like I said, you guys, I love Morissette, so don't worry about it. Don't really think that, don't start making up theories or something like that I don't like her or something like that. I'm just going through something. And honestly, like I said, it's doing a lot of videos every day and, doing 10 to 15 videos in a day I've been doing it since the year started, does get tiring, you guys. And so I just want you guys to be understanding. I'm trying my best to put out as much content as possible and make it as quality as possible. But today I just, it's been a rough day for me, honestly. And so tomorrow, just expect the normal amount of uploads. Today, I don't know how many I'm going to upload today. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.